Good afternoon, Randy. This is Bill and Lauren at Oliver, and we've got some preliminary quality tests we'd like to share based on our testing. Before we actually do some weights and percentages of fractions to total weight, we wanted to make sure that we've got your quality as accurate as possible. And so this is our lightest fraction, and it appears to be as close to 100% pure as we can tell. There are some darker things in here, but they are flake. We don't see much of the contaminant, and the sizing is pretty consistent. I'm going to walk back over to the deck. To show you what we have on the light fraction discharge. We have run this on the gravity separator, and currently we're using a Destoner because we believe we can isolate the light fraction a little bit better. This is the light fraction. We want to make sure that we fully understand where on the deck the contaminant starts so that we can maximize the amount of goods saved. We believe we start to see some pieces of feldspar just below mid-deck. So again, we're trying to achieve 100%, as close to 100% purity as possible. So what we're doing is we're moving from the light fraction to the heavy fraction. We're looking for where the line of contaminant may be. And at mid-deck here, it looks like there is more contaminant. As we move to the heavy end of the deck, we can see a larger concentration of the feldspar. It's very gritty in it, and there's a lot of rock in with the mica. So if we understand where our quality cutoff is, then we can maximize the amount of mica that is saved. Additionally, we may be able to rerun these fractions and get it even more pure.